Hello, welcome back to Liv Shanker's channel. Love y'all. I'm with Natalie here, and she's not a fidget lover like me.
I used to love fidgets, but then I just threw them away.
No.
Okay, so I want to guess her fidgets.
because she doesn't really know.
Yes, I do.
Okay, yeah. Sit there. No, you're gonna sit here, and I'm gonna pass you the fidgets.
Okay.
And people, if you know what it is, comment down below what is it. Yee. Ow. Okay. It is a space dimple. She surprisingly got it right.
I used to have that.
She got it right. Okay. Stop that.
These have different planets.
This one, she was playing this before, and I did not tell her the name because we were thinking of the idea to do this. So, she said it was a panda. It is a panda, but what is it?
It's a it's one of those. Can I have it for a second?
If you don't get it, you got 1 point already. So, if you don't guess it, I get a point, and whoever has most ones.
Oh.
Doesn't, you know what?
Oh.
And it doesn't even say that.
It's a
Fine.
stress relief. Lucy.
No, you got it wrong. It's a dough ball.
Oh! Can I play with it?
No.
Why?
Well, wait. Do you listen to it tapping on my desk?
It's like
Don't. No. Girl, it's my favorite.
Well, I'm gonna.
Like, actually, don't play with the fidget that I earned. You can play with this space dimple. Okay. This, everyone's probably screaming right now.
It's a gamer poppet.
Kind of.
It's a gamer controller poppet.
It's a game, a PS5 controller.
Let me see this. It's not a PS5 controller. My brother has a PS5.
Same. My brother has.
It's not a PS5 controller.
Yes, it is.
Whatever. Okay, I got a point. Give it to me.
1 to 2. I don't think you're gonna get this one because the dough ball you couldn't get, and there's another name for the dough ball. The other name is for a dough ball is I'm not gonna say it.
Finito. Okay, give it this to me.
Yes, but
It's
like
an Orby stress ball.
yes.
Yay. Imagine this just pops.
Yeah. I don't think you're gonna get this one.
I know what that is. It's a
The
puzzle
name?
ball.
Yes.
I love puzzle balls. I traded mine.
You're never gonna believe. Okay, guys, everyone's probably screaming at their screens right now once they see it. Feel it?
Oh, I know what these are. I have them.
Girl!
I have these. The glitter stress balls. That's what mine called. Oh, globbles. It's a globble.
A globble is more squishy. This is a splat ball.
That's a splat ball. But I have those. Those aren't splat balls. Whatever. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 points. You only have 2.
Well, I stepped on your bag, so.
Ah.
Oh, you're never gonna get this one.
I think I know.
No, like
The pin table. Pin table.
close.
A pin. A pin something.
You lose. You want to know what it is?
Yeah.
I mean, from what I remember, it was like something. Because I got it from Target a long time ago, so I don't know the name for sure, but I think it was like a flip pen table. So you like flips, yeah.
Oh yeah.
I think.
That's what it is. I remember. I used to have one. When I was like 5, it was like my baby toy.
What? You know those slugs?
Yeah.
My mom says it's a baby toy, so she wouldn't let me get it.
Wait, what?
It's like a slug that it's like a fidget, but my mom said, "Oh, I'm catching up because you have fun." My mom said it was like a baby toy. Everyone knows this. Actually, I'm not gonna do it. Everyone knows this too. Feel it.
Oh, the bead stress ball.
It's not.
Yeah, it is.
It's a bead ball.
A bead ball.
I
was close. I had the bead and the ball. Just I put stress in it.
Bead stress. Bead stress. Okay, but guys, I actually got this from school, and I saw the name tag, and it said bead ball.
I was really, really close. I should get it.
No.
Guys, comment down below if I should get it. One of them just fell out. There's a hole.
Wait, but guys, it's a bead. So, but guys, I always squish this. Barely any of the beads come out, so it's fine. So don't worry. If you have my TikTok, then you would know I have stress balls, and I had to cut open a needle.
Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4. No, did you just lick my head?
No, I just stuck you. Stop it. Everyone has to know this. Once you guys see this and she doesn't get it, you're going to be screaming at your screen.
Infinity cube.
Yes. 5.
My infinity cube broke. Why is this so heavy?
Because it's made out of metal.
Oh.
I only have a bit of this.
Oh, it's a wacky track. Move it over. Why is it so small?
That is, I just found a piece of it. Oh my god. I got this from a mall.
Oh, it's a cat needle. Give it to me.
Cat stress ball.
That's a cat needle. Guys, is that a cat needle?
I'm being really strict, but you get it.
I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
I only have one of these right now. 1 out of 3.
Oh, a magnet ring.
Nope.
Yeah, it is.
Magnet finger ring.
Oh.
Guys, I'm not kidding. I went to 7-Eleven. I got this, and the tag said magnetic. It said magnetic. Magnetic. Finger.
It's magnetic.
Rings, finger rings. So there.
Used to work. It just worked before.
I'm not letting you.
It's a needle.
Wrong.
It's a
Changing
bubble.
colors, neato.
But that's the same thing as a needle.
Oh, my toe.
Sorry.
You still got it wrong.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have 6, I have 7.
Getting tied up. Oh, you're good.
Oh,
You don't know what these are called?
those, oh, acupressure rings.
I lip synced it. That's no fair.
I knew the name, but then I forgot it, and then I read like your lips, and I hear you.
Wait, no, that's no fair. I should get it.
Oh, bike chain.
Shut up, I don't like you.
Oh, it stuck together.
You're freaking...
8. I have 8. Fidget pad. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Give it to me. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. What is it?
When I got it from Target, the label said, like, fidget stress relief toy.
But it's actually called a fidget pad. You know that, right?
Yeah, I know. But
It's me.
you're gonna win.
I know. I only have a green one of these.
You said you threw out all your fidgets.
I know, but I forgot to throw out that one. It was in my It's in my living room.
And by the way, guys, since these are my fidgets and they're precious to me, I'm gonna get a fidget that someone will win if they win.
Ah! Me? I win it if I get it.
What? Okay, I'll reveal the prize at the end, but
Spiky ball.
spiky.
Spiky ball.
Spike ball.
It's a spiky ball.
No, it's a spike ball. No, it actually is. You don't know that?
Spiky is the same word as spike.
No, well, you still got it wrong. Every detail counts. What? Actually. Okay.
What's the prize?
I mean, wait. How much fidgets? Count how much fidgets.
10. Wait, no.
I win.
Yeah, 10.
I win.
What do you mean?
Cause look, there's 1,000 in here and 1,000 in there.
That's unfair, Liv!
There's 1,000 little beads in here.
Please, Liv.
Okay.
That's unfair.
I pick the remaining fidget because these are like my fidgets and they're precious to me. So
Do you like this one?
yes.
Oh my god.
Wait,
Monkey
I just
noodle.
want to ask you one thing because I was gonna do this like a million billion times. I was gonna give
Pop
you.
soup.
Yeah. Okay.
I don't want it though. I have a million of them. Well, I used to.
It's tiny.
It's monkey noodle.
Hallelujah.
Tiny monkey noodle.
You get that.
I don't want it.
That's all you get.
I really want this.
Well, you can't get that.
It's mine.
No, actually, no.
Five people.
Stop.